more action.
And I take it you guys have read all the books, so which one is your favorite out of all the books?
I think we both have the same favorite here, and that's Eclipse.
Yeah, I like Eclipse.
Have you guys ever been to Atlanta before, or is this your first time?
My first time. Yeah.
So Tyson, this is your first movie ever and your first audition ever?
First audition that I'd ever been to in my life. Yeah.
Tell us about that. How did that work? Like, you just give us the whole backstory.
I was looking for a job on the internet because I was broke, living in Vancouver, and this thing popped up that said that there was an open casting call and that they were looking for people who were Native American and people who were like between 15 and 25, and I was like, yeah, I'm both of those. I'll go check it out. And so I went down and I went through the hordes and hordes of people, and I ended up getting a call back, and I went and I did it, and I ended up getting the part like a week later.
That's awesome.